over like this. We broke the sound. We broke the sound. We made so much noise. We broke the sound. Is everyone still okay? That's a bit quiet. Is everybody still okay? Okay, good, good. We're back. Yes, I'm missing you. Missing you. Talk to you, but it's not the same. And such a you. Every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. We'll be together, and it won't be long, it won't be long, but it seems like forever. Shout on my arms, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now. And it's driving me crazy. I'm reaching my baby. I'm missing you now. Can't wait another lonely night, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now. I stopped sending flowers to your apartment, but you said you weren't around much anymore. I stopped dropping by without appointment, 'cause I heard after coming from your door. Sometimes late at night you still call me. Before you close your eyes to sleep, I made a vow that I would drop by sometime, but that's just a promise I can't give. 'Cause I love you too much to ever stop lying to you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, I love you too much to ever stop lying to you. So leave the story to an end. I'm giving you all of my heart, but there is someone who tore it apart, and he has taken almost all that I had. So if you want, I'll try to love again. Baby, you can't keep our love. Let's walk on love. The best is the deepest. The best is the deepest. When it comes to being lucky people, when it comes to loving me, we would. That's how I know the best is the deepest. The best is the deepest, yeah. Missing you. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Scott. Thank you, Saxon Sound. Thank you.
Hey, make some noise for Aleighcia Scott. Give the females some respect. Make some more noise for Aleighcia Scott. She was wonderful. Pick up yourself, yeah? Respect every time. We'll see you next year. The booking for next year. I'm staying fresh. Anyway, alright, so here we go. LF, you ready? You good to go? Alright, so the juggling continues. Alright, this is LF. This is Saxon Motion. Alright, the younger side to Saxon. You understand? Like I said, I'm staying. Oh. So here what? To the micro, please. This is the next up and coming general who is gonna be one of the future, who is gonna be doing it. So here what? It's working on us now. You understand? He goes by the name of EQ. You know, like treble and bass and EQ. He's gonna tune in like cockatoo now, yeah? EQ, great thing, bro. Check, check. You know what? We got all those that we've been with Saxon for about 20 years. Who's been waiting for Saxon about 10 years plus? Make some noise, please. Right. Right about now we're gonna bust a sweat. Hey, see me? I'm full of energy. Full of energy, I'm telling you. Selector, let's make it feel the bust a sweat. Incredible. Let's make it feel the bust a sweat. We are the most sexy together. We are the bomber class general. Yeah. Saxon motion. Let's make it feel the bust a sweat this side. Yo. Tell your rude boy. Let's make it feel the bust a sweat. The original dancehall jungle is massive. The original dancehall jungle is there. All we say. Olivia alongside Saxon motion. He's in the corner. The world is in trouble. All we say. Jesus God. How we have been loved with it. Saxon motion. Yeah. Saxon motion. Yeah. Give me the energy, I want the energy. Summon up, we're just summon up crew. Summon the energy, summon the energy. Summon the energy, summon the energy. Ready. You want to more Saxon? You don't want to more Saxon? We're doing it! Saxon song! Big, but heavy! You see what the chorus drops? Everybody! What we say?